See, their fence is still down there on the other side. Still down. Their fence there is still down. And then their fence is still down on the other side. But it looks like that's already fixed. And that one is still down over there. There. That's my tangerine or mandarin, and that's my malunggay. So for some reason it's not growing up, it's growing like that way on the bottom. So gotta go figure out something. Yeah, I gotta remove this tree here. That was from the storm and knocked down. There, see? A lot of cleaning here. I need to do a lot of cleaning. Cleaning. I'm gonna ask the subdivision to remove that 2, 3 there. Trees. I'm gonna ask the subdivision to remove those 2 because it's blocking the sun, so maybe they can remove it. But I gotta show it. See, we knocked this out first. We took him out because they're fixing the fence. So this is it for now. We're gonna need to find another place over there to tie that corner. But man, everything is blooming. And me too, yay. Including me, it's blooming. Char. What a mess. I need to trim all that. Trim it. But they're asking me like $500 just to trim. $500. Oh well. It is what it is. With God's provision, He will take care of it. So just do it one thing at a time. Can't do it all at once. But thank you, Lord, for your provision. Okay. That's cool. They plant, I guess that's a pine tree right there. That's good, right there by the bayou. It'd be nice if they do it here on the other side too. Huh. Alright, that's cool. So it looks like they plant trees on the other side, but not on this side. But that's okay. That's good. I'm just saying, guys. So thank you guys. See, I gotta throw all that stuff. It's a lot of basura, guys. But it's okay. We'll just get rid of them one at a time. That's how it goes. Cleaning. Got upset, but what can I do, right? It's too late. He didn't know. That's good. So here I gotta, clear this up. I gotta put some more of this here, this bricks there, all the way there. he has not come to mow my yard yet. Armando, that's his name, Armando. So this is the old fence. So as you can tell, it's only 2. But is it longer? Let's see that. They're working really hard, guys, with the mess there because of the tornado that came. So they're not gonna do anything with that. They're gonna leave it there, but you know, that's good. They're only doing the fence. They're fast. It's only 10:30, so they started I think 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, and then they said they'll be done in an hour. So I'm gonna go to the bank first, guys. Let me go to the bank. To the bank to get this. That was fast. Almost done. Okay. I'll be back. Going to the bank. Okay, it's done. Now I just need to. I'm buying a saw to cut this. I'm just gonna have to do it myself. And so cut that to get rid of that, so we can go ahead and see. This is all from the that's a AT&T or something, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna go figure that out. Okay, well, yeah, I told them anyway, my AT&T and my Infinity, it's kind of here towards the fence, so take care of it. I need a lot of trimming there, so as you'll see. But now here we are not, you know, no one can see us now. So now he's gonna send me like the stain, so I'm gonna go stain. I'm gonna have to do it myself, so I don't have to pay for anyone to stain it, so it will last longer. And he did it like I think not 2 feet longer, bury it, because like the next door, what they did, they only did 1, like we say 1 inch. And then now when the hurricane or tornado, so their fence that they just got it fixed, it fell again. So let's hope this. So once that I get all this clear up, there's a lot of cleaning I have to do. But that's okay. Something that's what I get busy. So clear that up. I'm gonna go trim, get rid of this, cutting all that. I mean, clearing it. I really have to clear it. And then I'm gonna ask the subdivision to cut that trees on the back, because it's not really ours. They can cut it because it's messing up the fence. And then so this is all the stuff that I need to cut it, so we can, you know, use it as a firewood. I'm gonna go throw that away, so at least I'll stack them here. I stack my other stuff in there. But anyway, it's a lot of work, guys. So as you see, you know, sorry to let y'all see this, but it is what it is. It's just cleaning time. It's a lot of a lot of things to do, but that's just gotta take care of them one at a time. There's no way I can do everything at once, but I'm just doing the best I can. It's a lot of clearing after the tornado. So now I'm gonna need to hang this now because they're done. I gotta go figure out where I'm gonna hang that on that side and one on the other side, and then clear that up. Anyway, so as you can see here, I still need to buy more of these bricks here to cover that area with the bricks. The bricks, and then that's where I plant is the bamboo. Next door need to fix their fence, but they're not fixing it yet. It's a lot. Then after I finish this area to put the bricks, I'm gonna put bricks here on this area. Get rid of this. It's a lot of work, guys, but it's gonna get done. I just gotta do it things little by little every weekend, or when I have a time. There's no way I can get them. Dinero, vámonos, vámonos. Gracias.